wanted to do this unboxing because it's very important for Black women to know that we can also enjoy luxury goods. Hi guys, it's Grace. Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here today. This is my first luxury unboxing. I cannot be more grateful to make this video. But before further ado, let's get started. Let's just give you a little background about me. I lose my cards every single time. My friends, my colleague, everyone knows me for losing my bus card, my credit card. It's insane. I just sometimes put that in in my pocket, and it will slip off when I take out my phone. Or I'm going to get some grocery and I just put my card in the grocery bags. Like, who does that? So this is a little bag, as you can tell. So let's unbox it together. Alright, so it's literally just this, okay? And this is the receipt in this little black envelope, YSL on it. And let's talk about the price later on, okay? So this is the little box. You can find me here on TikTok and Instagram, and bye. So let's unbox it. I'm so excited. Alright, so let's remove it. The ribbon, this ribbon, I'm gonna keep it for my hair. So let's open it. Alright. This is another black velvet pouch, and we have, ta-da! So this is the YSL card holder. The classic and iconic card holder. I absolutely love this. It is a beautiful leather and it's actually very sturdy. Let's get closer so I can show you details. On camera it appears shiny, but it actually has small grains. I hope you guys can see it. And also the back. So it has a YSL logo here, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 slot, and you have a big slot here in the middle. So if you want to put some bills or more cards, you can stack up to 2 cards here in each slot. That's what the AC told me. And this is just for presentation. So 2 cards, you can have in total 8 cards in each slot, and then you can stack more here. So this is a very cute piece, honestly. How cute is that? It's leather, so no hand sanitizer in it, no alcohol. You should keep it away from the rain because it's just gonna damage later. Alright, so I bought this card holder at Health and Refuge Ogilvy in St. Catherine in Montreal. So this is the Saint Laurent boutique, right? And the price before tax is 385 Canadian dollar, and with tax it's a little bit over 442 Canadian dollar. And by the way, I have the proof here. The AC charged me for another card order the first time. Then she gave me a refund that you can see here. I don't know why she made this mistake, but I don't know. Anyway, so a little bit about this AC because she's so cool. For my birthday in April, I went there just to see oh, my first time in a luxury boutique. What can I buy when I first land my big girl job money? What am I even just saying? Anyway, so I went to the boutique dressed up like that, and the AC, I believe she's the only black AC over there. She was so welcoming. At the end of my visit, she took my phone number. I went back home and she texted me the link to the YSL website to every single item I touched in store. Either the bags or the card holders that I touched and I was considering buying. She's so nice. So if you want to go to this boutique, St. Catherine Ogilvy Saint Laurent boutique, please go and see this essay because she was so nice, honestly. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question about my experience shopping at a Saint Laurent boutique or about this particular card holder, please put it in the comment section down below. I will put any information, useful information in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you next time. You can find me here on TikTok and Instagram, and see you into the next one. Bye.